Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English for You. I have a question for you today. You are busy every day, but at the end of the day, do you feel like your life is moving forward?
No, that is exactly my problem. It's 11 at night. The dishes are still in the sink. My child's homework is still on the table. Tomorrow I have a big presentation at work, but right now I am sitting on the sofa. I am looking at my phone. I just wanted 10 minutes of rest, but an hour passed, just like that. And then I feel it, that same feeling again. Why is my life always behind? I work so hard. I do everything for my family. Why does nothing change? I feel tired, but not just from work. I feel tired of myself.
You wake up every morning with a plan, but by night the plan is gone, and you blame yourself. You think, I am weak, I have no willpower. But wait, what if that's the wrong question? What if willpower is not the problem at all?
Then what is the problem? Because I really try. I buy planners, I download apps, I watch videos about getting things done, but nothing works. So yes, maybe I am just weak.
No, you are not weak. You are pulled. Think about your morning. The alarm rings. Your hand moves to your phone. Did you decide that, or did it just happen?
It just happened. I didn't think about it.
That's the real problem. Not laziness, not weakness. Your mind is pulled by habit. Every day, all day. Your phone makes a sound. You look. A work email arrives at 9 p.m. You answer. You think you are choosing, but you are only reacting. You are not controlling your day. Your day is controlling you.
That is true. I spend so much time just reacting. But isn't that just life? Everyone is like this. I cannot just ignore messages. I have responsibilities.
Yes, you have real responsibilities. I am not saying ignore them, but let me ask you something. At work, you answer every email, every meeting, every phone call. You move all day. At the end of the day, what did you finish for yourself?
Nothing. Actually, nothing. I was busy all day, but the things that matter to me, I did not even start them.
Busy is not focused. You are only reacting all day. There's a big difference.
Okay, but I'm still tired. After work, after cooking, after the kids, I have nothing left. So when I finally sit down, I just want to rest. Is that wrong? Am I not allowed to rest?
Rest is not wrong. Rest is necessary. But let me ask you this. When you look at your phone for 1 hour at night, do you feel rested after?
No. Honestly, no. I feel more tired and a little empty.
That's because sometimes it's not real rest. Sometimes it's only escape. Your body sits still, but your mind keeps moving. You see things that make you worried. You compare yourself to others. You watch and watch and watch. 1 hour disappears. You don't lose time. You follow comfort. And comfort without choice is not rest.
Last week, my daughter asked me, "Mom, are you listening?" I said yes, but I was looking at my phone. She just walked away quietly. She didn't say anything, but I felt it.
That moment, that's where time really goes. Not the hour on your phone, the moment you were there, but not there. Time is not hours and minutes. Time is where your attention goes.
That really hurts to hear, but I think it is true. Still, what can I do? My life is already so full. I feel like I am stuck in the same loop every day.
Yes, and there is a reason for that loop. I want to tell you a story. Long ago, there was a young student. He wanted to study hard. Every night, he said, "Tomorrow I will start early." But every morning, he slept in. One day, he said to his teacher, "I am so ashamed. I want to change, but I cannot." The teacher asked, "When you stay in bed, what do you think about?" The student said, "I think about how tired I am. I think about how cold it is outside the blanket." The teacher smiled quietly. He said, "You do not follow tiredness. You follow the story your mind tells you about tiredness." Do you see it? The student was not too tired to get up. He was too deep inside his own story.
That's me. I tell myself, I worked so hard today. I deserve this rest. Just 10 more minutes. And I believe the story every time.
We all do. This is not a character problem. This is a human problem. The mind loves what feels safe. The mind loves what is easy. That is not evil. That is just how the mind works. But here's the question. Who is in charge? The mind or you?
I want to be in charge, but I keep failing at the same places. Sometimes I think, maybe I'm just this kind of person, someone who can't manage time.
I want you to hear this clearly. You are not this kind of person. There is no such thing as a person who cannot change. There is only a person living in the same environment. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine this. A huge tiger runs into your room right now. It roars. It runs straight towards you. Would you say, 5 more minutes?
No. I would be up in 1 second.
Exactly. 1 second. Your body was never broken. Your body can move fast. The problem is not your body. The problem is that your mind does not feel the danger. The mind thinks there is still time. I can start tomorrow. 1 more hour will not hurt. But time is not waiting. I want to tell you about a man. He worked hard his whole life. Every year he said, "When I retire, I will finally live my life. I will travel. I will spend time with my children." He retired, and 3 months later, he was in a hospital bed. The doctor found a serious illness. His daughter came to see him. He looked at her and said very quietly, "I thought I still had time." Have you ever felt that? Not in a hospital, but that small, cold feeling. I thought I still had time.
Yes. My son got a school notice last month. His graduation photo. I looked at it and thought, when did he get so big? I was there every day, but I missed it.
You were there, but your attention was somewhere else. And right now, I want to ask you something. What steals most of your time now? Your phone? Your fear? Or just being too tired? Even one word is okay. Tell me in the comments. I really want to know.
For me, I think it is the phone, but also fear. I'm afraid if I stop, something will go wrong. I'm afraid I will fall behind.
That fear keeps you running. But running without direction is not progress. It's just movement. And movement without choice takes everything from you and gives nothing back. Now, I'm not going to tell you to wake up at 5 in the morning. I'm not going to give you a perfect schedule. Those things don't fix the real problem. The real problem is this. You are giving your whole day to other people's needs, and you are giving your real self almost nothing.
So what do I do? Tell me something real, something small. I cannot handle one more big change.
One small thing. Tomorrow morning, before you touch your phone, 10 minutes only, take a piece of paper. Write 3 things. Not work tasks, not other people's needs. 3 things that truly matter to you today. They can be very small. Call my mother. Read 10 pages. Eat breakfast slowly. Small things, but they are yours.
But what if I fail again? What if I write the 3 things and still ignore them? That always happens to me.
Then you failed at 3 small things, not at your whole life. That is already different. Before, you failed without even trying. Now, you tried. Here is something worth remembering. True learning is not for showing others. True learning is for yourself. Your day is the same. A day lived for yourself, even a little. That day is different. You do not need a perfect day. You need an awake day. A day where you see what you are doing. A day where you choose, even once.
An awake day. Not a perfect day, just a day where I chose something. I think I can try that.
And one more thing. Many people think change is only about willpower, but environment matters too. Think about this. When one person tries to wake up early alone, it is very hard. But when many people wake up together, something changes. One person moves. Another person hears it. Soon, everyone starts moving, even people with very little energy. Why? Because we follow the people around us. That is why your environment changes your life more than your willpower ever can. So put your phone far from your bed tonight. Find one person who is trying too. Make it easier to choose. Make it harder to escape. And tomorrow morning, when the alarm rings, do not start talking to yourself. Not 5 more minutes, not I'm too tired. Because the moment you start thinking, the old habit pulls you back. Move first. Move your foot. Sit up. Stand. Don't think. Just move.
Do not think. Just move. I will try that tomorrow.
That is enough. That is the beginning. Every day you choose, even one small thing, you are telling your mind who is in charge. Slowly, the loop breaks. Not because everything changed, because you stopped moving without direction. So today's sentence is this. Say it with me. I will choose my day before the world chooses it for me. Not a perfect day, not a productive day, a chosen day. A day where you, not your habits, decided what mattered. That is time management. Not a better app, not a stronger alarm, a quiet moment in the morning before the world starts pulling. And 3 small things that are yours. In our next video, we will talk about why we keep saying sorry even when we did nothing wrong. It's closer to today's topic than you think. If this video helped you today, please like and subscribe. Members can download today's full PDF with all the English and the life lesson together. It's a good way to keep the message close. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.